Hello, we're going to be looking at the text fly in. It's got big shadows, big 3D moves, and it looks in Premiere Pro. And this is what it looks like. Let's go full screen. And it runs for 12 seconds. So it's good for an opener or closer. Now any of the text you can disable, or you can enable or disable it so you only have the headline, which is the centered text here. So starting from the top, first thing which is unique for us here is you can disable two of the heavy renderers, the reflection and the background. You can disable them individually or both of them at the same time, which is what is happening now with the default setting. So you don't see the background and you don't see the reflections. Right, so it's called Preview Performance Enhancements. So I'm going to set none. That means there are no preview enhancements. So you're going to see the background and you're going to see the reflection there. And you can adjust there's a section on the reflection in the background. So reflection opacity, you can increase it, you can set the blurs and stuff like that also. Okay. So it's a little bit slow, that's why there's an option for you to disable it while you're setting things up. Okay, so we're gonna disable them so it's a lot quicker to preview. So this is pretty unique in the sense that it's got some nice responsive features. The text at the bottom here and the top here, they're responsive to the text in the middle, which is called the headline text. So depending on the width or the size of the headline text, the text at the top and the bottom will resize to fit the width. So if I delete the last 4 characters there, the last word, you can see, so we only have broadcast gems, and automatically the text at the top and the bottom, they automatically resize their width to fit into the new width here. And same if I change the text for the headline, same thing happens. And I can mess about with tracking also. So I'm adjusting the tracking for the headline text, and as you can see, the top and the bottom adjust automatically. So it's pretty cool. That's one of the nice responsive features. Now everything's pretty straightforward there. Transition in for the headline, you've got 9 options here. You fly in, slide in, so that's the first one. And I'm actually using the last option, fitting characters from center. You can see at the center text there appears first. Alrighty. So we'll look at the top text. This also has its own transition settings. It's got 7. Hope you can see those here. So it's got 7 options. Flying from left, you can fly in from right. This is flying in from... Sorry, we're supposed to be looking at this guy here, the top text. So it's flying in from the left. And one big tip, use the arrow keys to navigate the timeline indicator. Do not scrub, because more often than not, if the frames are not cached, Premiere Pro takes a lot longer to refresh the screen. So if I select flying from right, you can see now it's coming in from the right. You can slide in. from the left, so it's coming in there. Ready? So you've got 7 options for that. You can increase the direction amplitude, so it's almost like position essentially. You're increasing the position or the space it has to come in from, or its start point in essence. And you can of course disable it. You don't want the top text, so you just have the headline and the bottom text. And the bottom text works the same way. Enable, disable. You've got all your font settings there. You've got font size. There's no lettering. Everything works with a single line of text only. Okay, so if you type in a second line of text, nothing's gonna appear. And there's a wee bit of help notes here. I'll help you out a little bit, I hope. So just keep in mind that the only a single line of text will be accepted in any of the 3 text inputs. Okay, I think that's it, yeah. So it's very easy to use. Just got be a little bit patient with the preview and the renders. Otherwise, it works very well. Like I said, it looks beautiful. It's still a lot quicker than getting into After Effects, and that's if you know After Effects, or paying someone to get it. And I don't think there's a ready-made Moget or template that does this, especially the responsive features, right? For the text at the top and the text at the bottom. So okay, that's it for this, and check out the other tutorials for the adaptive text tool. Oh, lastly, don't forget it works the same way. You've got 8 frame sizes to select. Ensure you select the one that fits your sequence, and of course you can render single frame rate or double frame rate. Alright, so single frame rate means 24, 25, 29.97 frames per second. Double frame rate runs 50, 59.94, 60 frames per second, and you should be fine there. Alright, that's it. Cheers, bye bye.